So yes. The whispers have been making the rounds about the look and the complexion of Jamaica's defending double Olympic sprint champion, Elaine Thompson. People seem to think that Elaine might be lightning and toning too much. And it don't look so even and radiant there. But hey, Elaine Thompson is not a lawyer or a doctor or a teacher or a beauty queen for that matter. She's a sprinter and she's the best in the world at it. Don't see why people obsessing with her complexion and her looks and radiant. Also, there is a distinct bias in how Jamaicans look at Elaine Thompson compared to how they embrace Shelley and Fraser Price. I mean, we all know that Shelley is such a warrior and a champion and that she speaks so well and she's always pleasant and smiling and radiant. But how nobody don't mention Shelley here? Nobody not commenting or criticizing or chastising Shelley for your outlandish wigs. What do you mean? For me, between Elaine's complexion and Shelley's wigs, it's neither here nor there. It's all style and fashion. The important thing for me is that these two warriors continue to beat the world and make Jamaica proud. But some people too biased. If you don't have a problem with Elaine's complexion, you must have a problem in principle with Shelley with them too. Because for me, both the complexion and the wigs are equally false.